Raj
was always
Kapoor
like-
actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift. Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation,
I think
and I
so.
think it's because of Karan.
Audience हमारी family के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. They love knowing about obviously a little bit of how we all are. तो मैं आपको कुछ फर्जी award categories दूंगी and you have to say who in the family basically deserve it.
ठीक है.
सबसे बड़ा foodie.
I would probably say Chimpu Chacha. He was a foodie, and Arman.
Arman, I was just going to say Arman.
Arman and Reema.
I believe at
Reema.
Siddharth and Kiara's wedding he has eaten so much you have no
Possible.
idea.
But Reema Bua.
Reema, but I feel Arman is really
हाँ, Reema, Arman and Chimpu Chacha.
हमेशा late. You.
No, for me, time is very important. I'm always on time. But Hamesha late, I would say, are you good with time?
I'm good with time.
Yeah, I think everybody respects time in our family. I don't think I don't
Yeah.
know how Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and Raj Kapoor. Raj
was
Kapoor
always
actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift because
He was always late.
because he wanted to really kind of be inspired by his movies and sleep late. So he started the 2 o'clock shift, the 2 p.m. shift.
Huh.
I mean, I've heard these stories from a lot of people.
2 to 2.
So I would say that probably he was not really on time.
On time. I'm not asking this next one क्योंकि मुझे पता है ये
No.
answer क्या है.
I want to know.
And
No, say na.
we both are allowed to answer this. I know the answer.
Say,
Gossip monger.
I think, Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation,
I think
I
so.
think it's because of Karan. He got very lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him, and he wanted some company, so he started using our names.
Yeah, I think so. No?
The thing is,
clarify this.
The thing is, you and me are very interested about what's happening in the film industry,
Yeah.
what movies are happening.
Yeah.
Because we are fans.
Yeah,
we are
we
fans.
just want to know.
We want to know. But I think gossip would be. Let's give it to Reema Bua.
Poor thing. I mean, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes to collect.
Yeah.
Na?
So it's not you and me.
No. सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू.
सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू. I think it would be Papa. Like he
used to fire people.
He used to fire people
Yeah.
a lot. So I would say him.
The pushover.
I think Ritu Bua
Yeah,
was someone who was really sweet and docile and somebody who really was selfless.
Selfless.
You know,
and now I think it would be Lolo.
Lolo and Tashu.
And Tashu. All three of them were like they're pretty similar.
Yeah.
So on the contrary to popular belief, लोग कहते थे कि जब शादी हो जाती है, especially जब heroines की शादी हो जाती है, तो उनकी career खत्म हो जाता है. So what do you think is
I think it's such a
brought about this
stupid,
change?
dated concept. I mean, you've also been the torchbearer of this. You've had such a illustrious, amazing career. You got married, you had children at your own terms, at your peak, and you never left your peak. You're still at your peak, and I think that's something which is a great example. I know that Alia looks up to you. When she was getting into this part of her life, about marriage and child, and she always, was very inspired by how you have balanced your professional life and personal life. I think you guys are all, disruptors of all these old age concepts and thoughts, and which is great.